Hey there. Welcome back to Practice English, your place to practice real English through easy listening.
Hi everyone. We're so happy you're here. Whether you're walking, cooking, or just relaxing, this is your time to enjoy some simple, natural English with us.
By the way, I'm Jake.
And I'm Mia. Let's help you get comfortable with English, one step at a time.
I've got a question for you. Have you ever studied English for months, even years? But when you watch a movie or talk to a native speaker, it feels like they're speaking super fast.
Totally. It's like, you know the words, you've seen the grammar, but you just can't catch what they're saying.
And the worst part, you think, is it me? Am I not good enough?
If you've ever felt that way, you are not alone. Fast English is tricky. But the good news is, you don't need to study harder. You just need to listen smarter.
So today, we're sharing 10 smart tips to help you understand fast English naturally.
And don't worry, these tips are perfect for beginners. So let's jump in. Okay, first up, subtitles. They're super helpful, but only when used the right way.
Yeah, instead of using subtitles in your native language, switch to English subtitles. That way, you're connecting the sounds to the words in English.
Like when someone says, "I'm gonna go," and you read the subtitle, "I'm going to go." Suddenly, it all makes sense.
Exactly, and here's a mini challenge. Watch a 1-minute clip with subtitles, then watch it again without them. You'll start to catch more each time. Tip 2. Slow it down. Let's be real. Native English can be super fast, but guess what? You can slow it down.
Yeah, most apps and websites let you adjust speed. Try watching at 80% speed. You'll hear each word more clearly.
So instead of hearing "she should have told me" like a blur, you'll finally hear "she should have told me."
And once it sounds clear, try going back to full speed. You'll understand more than before.
Tip 3. Listen for key words. Not every word in a sentence matters. Native speakers usually stress only the important ones.
For example, if I say, "I met Sarah at the train station yesterday afternoon," the key words are met, Sarah, train station, yesterday.
The rest, it's just extra. So when listening, focus on the words that carry the message.
Tip 4. Know your reductions. Here's a fun one. Reductions. In spoken English, we smash words together.
Yep, "do you want to go?" becomes "do you want to go?" "Me see" becomes "let me see."
It's how people actually talk. The more you listen to real speech, the easier it gets to understand these reductions.
Try saying them out loud too. It really helps you recognize them when you hear them later.
Tip 5. Learn phrases, not just words. Don't just memorize single words. Learn phrases or chunks.
Yeah, like "by the way," "on my way," or "all of a sudden."
When you hear these phrases in conversation, you'll understand faster because you're not trying to break down every word.
Tip 6. Pay attention to rhythm. English has music. The pitch, the stress, the flow, it all matters.
Try this. Say, "Can you help me with this?" Slowly.
Hear the rhythm. Some words stretch, some are quick. Listening to that music helps your brain follow along.
You can even record yourself and compare it to a native speaker. It really works. Tip 7. Create an English environment. Here's a simple trick. Surround yourself with English.
You don't need to study all day. Just let English play in the background while you cook, walk, or clean.
Podcasts, YouTube, music, anything helps. Even when you're not fully focused, your brain is picking up the sounds.
Tip 8. Mix active and passive listening. There are 2 ways to listen, actively and passively.
Active means you focus, pause, and repeat. Passive means English is just in the background.
Both are good. For example, actively listen to a short video, write down a few new words. Then let a podcast play while you fold laundry.
That balance keeps your learning fun and stress-free. Tip 9. Try different accents and topics. English isn't just one sound. There's American, British, Australian, and more.
So try listening to different accents. It trains your ears to catch new patterns.
And switch up your topics too. Watch a travel vlog one day, a cooking show the next.
It keeps things interesting and helps you understand all kinds of English. Tip 10. Guess what's next? Last tip, don't wait for every word. Try to predict what's coming.
Like if I say, if it rains tomorrow, I'll probably. You can guess, stay inside, cancel plans, watch a movie.
That guessing game helps your brain get faster. Even if you're wrong, you're still learning how English flows. All right, those were our 10 tips to help you understand fast English more naturally.
Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments.
And remember, listening takes time. It's not about being perfect. It's about enjoying the journey.
So keep listening, keep smiling, and we'll see you next time.
Thanks for joining us on English Made Easy. Bye for now.
Bye-bye.